Look! So multi-makers, great! Today we are back for another new powder test. And today we are testing, not you, but Mannitol. Mannitol. From the powders that I test manually the other day, Mannitol was by far the weakest, but also is the one that is already powdered as a out of the shelf. So I'm gonna give it a quick test and just validate if those results were good or bad. Let's load it into the machine. These are the 12 Mannitol samples, so let's crush them and get some numbers. Definitely Mannitol has way lower compression force compared to Erythritol and sucrose or Dominos 10X. I would like to test that. I think just one test is probably not enough, but the different tests that I did manually already showed that the crust from the Mannitol was really soft, but still it binds together, so that's great. And I think this also can help a lot to get like way more tender texture. That's interesting. More tests soon.